Hello everybody, it's me, Violet, and on Google Plus I did this contest. Didn't really have a name for it, but these are the winners. The contest was about drawing me and Brandon, and the winners are Shaya Animate and Jelly. I thought the two pictures they drew were the cutest pictures, and you can see, stupid phone, you can see the pictures up on Google Plus. Just look up Violet Flame XX Gonzalez on Google Plus and look for my community called Brandon X Violet Chip Fans. Thank you for watching.